Evet, Tunus maybe.
We have a very good dog, and throughout in the number 245,000, and Oita,はい日本のラグビーチームが頑張って試合を行っておりました。ずっと頑張って試合をしました。それと一緒に昨日の試合を見ましたけどだったので、南アフリカが全部とのというかように。
Good job, and you talk about the stadiums which we use, and we just wish we have some facilities back at home. We look forward to the next 4 years. You did beat us in the Pacific Nation Cup, so congratulations again. Sadly, we lost that. So our team will have to go back and train some more.
勝ちまして、藤井ロンドンからもっといろんな練習してからキッズするようにしたいと思います。
あと秋田がね、秋田の商工会議所の会頭がやっぱりフィジーの名誉総理。
And also in Akita, you do have a Hungary consul in Akita Prefecture.
みんなお世話になって。
They've always been receiving
みんな仲良くやってる。
from ambassador and very well promotion of Fuji throughout Japan.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Stated a lot of arrangements for my trip, and I've got one of his deputies here.
ありがとうございます。今日お土産はね、トラヤの羊羹、大統領とそれから大使。
Thank you very much.
これはですね、もともと京都のお店だった。でも天皇様が、1960年江戸時代に、こちらに来たんですね。その時に一緒に京都から天皇についてきたお店の羊羹。
The 1960s when the imperial family relocated to Tokyo, so they shipped and brought along all this with them as well. It's a specialty from Kyoto, and I do
大変古くからのお店なんですけど、今東京が本店みたいになってますけど、元は京都の会社です。ちょうど明日天皇様の即位の礼だから、一番天皇家にゆかりのある、お菓子屋さんですね。
Well, this club is about 100.
Spicing up, so we had to come to Australia. But we arrived yesterday, and we were very well looked up. So
Is coffee all right to you?
oh yes, sir.
Who is the man for? Coffee is all right to you?
No, this is fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, from Japanese style.
Well, she does. As you know, we championed, the fight against climate change. That's another area that we put up. Very important issue for the Pacific. As we speak, Fiji is we're better off with some we have, typhoons, cyclones in our world. We just, and as we speak, our Prime Minister championing this since we became the president of COP23, the Paris Agreement.